Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedridla, and let's do your reading for the month of February 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Pisces. And for Pisces, this time from February I'll be using this new deck. It's called Thought Deck by Aleister Crowley, and also a new method for these cards. It's called Golden Dawn Spread. So it consists of 15 cards. There'll be 5 different variants in the spread, and it consists of 3, so 5 3s are 15. We have crystal wand. This time it is made out of rose quartz and clear quartz. Also you can find 7 different chakras, 7 different crystals which connect with each chakra, starting from the root to crown. Let's get into your reading. This crystal wand is used to magnify the energies in the cards and get more information and clearly, very quickly, also very easily. Now I'm getting into your situation. The first 3 cards represent your situation. Now I'm moving on to your current path, alternate path, your psychological basis and karma. Current path, alternate path, psychological basis and karma. Your current path, alternate path, psychological basis and karma. So now I have dealt the cards. Let's do the face up for the cards and see what we have. Alright guys, now the face up is done. Let's get into your reading. We got in this situation we got defeat, virtue and aeon. First and foremost, looking at the spread, I feel like you have dealt with someone who was very toxic in your life, and you backed off from them, but I feel like they are coming back over and over again, and this is the information I'm getting just by looking at the cards overall. And let's get into your reading first. In this situation we got defeat, virtue and aeon. A lot of if this happened, which I just told you, then This is definitely a spiritual connection with the Aeon and defeat. This is a spiritual connection. Again, it represents past life also with the defeat. This is karmic, okay, for sure. And you might be sinistering your Aquarius with their Mars, is what I'm saying, or Sun, okay. A lot of synastry is also happening, so that can also happen. If you want a synastry reading with me personally, you can check out my links, okay. I'll help you with that. But yeah, this can happen with the defeat. It is quite challenging for you in your life right now. It has completely shifted. Your life has completely changed. You are looking at what you can do right now with the Virtue card. You're looking at different options. You're thinking, what should I do right now? I feel like this happened quite recently, like 5 months or 5 weeks, okay. So you're quite thinking right now, okay, it's happened is happened, let me fix this, and which direction I should go right now. And I feel like you're not much worried. You're looking just for the solution, and you're questioning the universe. You're quite speechless on what to ask, also what happened. You're thinking, and you're not able to talk, okay. You're thinking a lot, is what I'm saying. You're thinking a lot. You're thinking how it went wrong. You're thinking in the past, okay. I think something went drastically, some drastic change happened in the past 5 to 3 months in your life, and you're questioning, in the universe, what happened with the Aeon card, and you're thinking a lot about it. This is your situation. Your current path is Ace of Discs, swiftness and worry. And with the Ace of Discs, you're actually you're working towards money, okay. At the end of the day, you want money, that's it. You don't want anything else. You want money. You want first financial freedom, and also you might also be connecting a lot with symbols and numbers, okay. Numbers, I got 1666 here, and a lot of symbols over here. You might be connecting with numbers especially, and you might learn other new languages, thinking that if I learn new languages, you can make more money, something like that. We got swiftness. Yeah, you want to change also. You have something changed in your life, but you're taking this opportunity and trying to change who you are and become a better person from this. You're thinking that this is a lesson for me, and also an opportunity where I can go in a different direction. The rainbow represents opportunity, and these are different directions. We got worry card, but you're quite worried that what will happen in the future. Will I look back and think about this again, or will I move forward, or what will happen from this chaos which happened? That is what worry card. You're quite worrying. You're quite concerned also. This is your current path. Let's look into your alternate path. Alternate path will also always be good, okay, but it depends on you how you feel about it. If you feel good, then this is your advice, okay. If not, then don't take it, but just look into it. Alternate path. We got Ace of Swords. So whatever you're thinking to do, like connecting with numbers, you might do numerology, or you might learn new languages, is what I'm saying. If you do that, then it will gonna help you a lot, okay. Your intelligence will become stronger, your intellect will become stronger, and you'll cut through all the illusions that you have, the fantasy, the illusion. You'll just cut through that and go through that truth very, very easily. So whatever you have in mind to do, just do that. We also got change. So yeah, lot of change. As I said, we got change card. Very, very, it looks like you have just shifted into another world, okay, and you just went somewhere else. That's what you feel, okay, with the change. And you have two yin and yang here, which is the spiritual, okay. when combined it's going to be white and black. Okay, and we have Rahu and Ketu. Yeah, something quite changed. Okay, there is one, swiftness which happened. Okay, you don't know, if you don't know the story of Rahu and Ketu, also check out that. It's a big change. Okay, Rahu was quite the snake, this serpent was this serpent was trying to suck in the energy of immortality, and when it did, I think Shiva or one Hindu god has cut the snake, and by the time he cut, he drank that liquid which will give you life forever. By the time he cut the snake drank it. So after the snake was cut, it is still alive because it drank that liquid of having life forever. That is why Rahu and Ketu is always 180 degrees apart, and it never died after that, even while cutting its head. So that is the story of Rahu and Ketu. Both Rahu and Ketu will always be 180 degrees apart, and it is trying to look where is the other one, and it is stuck in this what do you call it is just stuck looking at each other. Okay, it is stuck in this it is stuck forever looking at each other. Rahu is looking at Ketu, where is it, and Ketu is looking at Rahu, where is it, and it is stuck in this infinite loop. Okay, that is the story. We got Queen of Cups. So that is what will happen if you look at the past and think what will happen. You will just again go back in the past and again think, again quite feel depressed, and you can't take more action. Okay, so stop thinking about it, just move forward. And with the Queen of Cups also, take it as a lesson where you teach yourself and others. With the Queen is like a mother, so take it as a lesson for you and teach other people also what happened. It can be anything, it may not be that drastic as I'm telling, but for few it might be. Okay, I can feel that, because whenever change happens, it's almost like a big change. Okay, we got, but whatever happens, take it as a lesson and move forward, and don't look back. Okay, you can think what happened, recall it, and understand that mistakes happen, and that is what makes you much knowledgeable in the future, and that's how you learn. Okay, and also you can teach other people from this. That's how we are surviving, everyone. Okay, everyone. If no one teaches us anything in life, then we have to come across a lot of problems and trying to figure out ourselves. Whatever we are doing, it's someone has dealt with it and came up with a solution, and we are just taking that solution as part of life and just going. Okay, but in fact, someone has dealt with it and came up with a solution, and we are working on that solution. That's it, and trying to make it better also by just using it. Okay, but yeah, Lover's card it's a quite complex card. With the Hermit also, these three cards in the background, it's quite complex. So whatever happened, I feel like in the background it's quite complex. So if you just look into it also, you don't even analyze it, because it's quite spiritual. With the Aeon card in the situation, it's in another dimension. Okay, a lot of patterns and a lot of dimensions. You can't even think the fourth dimension in your head. Okay, only third dimension figure you can think about. Whenever you think how fourth dimension looks in your head, you can't. It's quite complex. You will never think about it. It will never form. Okay, with the Lover's card, it's the same thing. It's the mirror. Whatever is happening, I feel like even they have dealt with it. Okay, not necessarily as same as in this lifetime, but in some other lifetime. This is the Mirror card with the Lovers. Again, Cancer also got, you also got, because it's Valentine's and it's quite prominent. This energy will come out. Okay, and this Hermit also, it's quite complex. Okay, you can see this You can see this animal, it has 3 heads. Okay, in the Harry Potter also you can see a dog has 3 heads and everything. It will be hiding a place where it will be locked, and this dog acts like a guardian to that door. And that's what you can. Hermit also, you can see Hermit Hagrid, right? In the Harry Potter, he's Hermit, and this is the dogs. Okay, 3 dogs. So yeah, there's a cosmic egg also here. There is cosmic egg also here in the Lover's card. If you don't know what is cosmic egg, you can research it. You can learn something from there. And also, if you don't watch Harry Potter, you can watch if you like. Okay, there are a lot of messages also. We got Queen of Discs also. This represents Harry Potter also. And moving distance. Okay, you might be traveling, something is building up in the background which is asking you to come and visit other places, or you might be looking at someone and they might be traveling and you feel like you want to connect with them, or they feel like they want to connect with you. Whenever they are traveling, they see like they are missing someone, and that is you. Okay, something like that. You might see pictures of someone posting where they are going different places and you aren't there, and you think about them. So that is the Queen of Discs in this situation. And next to Hermit especially. Okay, let's get into your karma. You got Works, Knight of Discs, and Interference. Okay, you might watch a lot of movies is what I'm seeing. Okay, especially old movies like Vikings and Harry Potter. Okay, you got Works. In the karma, you have Works, which is also connection with people. So I feel like in this month you have to communicate and connect with your friends. Okay, remember that. And just communicate. Okay, just start communicating, and whatever communication had to happen, it will happen. But this is your karma. If you haven't contacted your friends this month, just call to them and talk to them. Okay, we got Knight of Discs, which represents slow movement with regards to money. So I feel like you'll move into another destination. You'll leave something behind. Something, this horse is looking back, so it is thinking where it has come, where it has walked. And I feel like you'll move into a different location right now, and it's going to be very bright. It's going to get brighter is what I'm seeing, because this is a sun, it's radiating, there are layers of it. So as you move forward, this sun gets illuminated even more and more and more. Okay, as you walk. So you're moving to this another destination, but just move forward. Okay, it's nice that you're looking back, but you're quite emotional also looking back, but at the same time you're looking forward, so which is very, very good in the karma. I feel like this is even though it's a slow process, you have to just enjoy the process. That's what I have to say, and I feel like you're doing that. 9 of Swords is Interference. I feel like you want to move fast is with regards to money is what I'm seeing. Same like Cancer. Cancer also got similar cards like yours. Check out Cancer. I feel like Cancer is the person who was quite toxic and you left them, and you feel like that is interfering with your finances. But I feel like you have to just believe, and just believe. And as I'm telling you, see the sun, it's radiating even more. So why not just keep moving, even though if it is slow movement, just keep moving. That's all I have for you, Pisces. Beautiful reading. Click the like button if you haven't done yet. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And also if you want to get a personal reading, you can check out this poster. I do tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings. All my price ranges are mentioned respectively. You can find my social media links below. You can contact me via call also, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Thank you.